Great Smoky Mountains National Park is within a day's drive for half of the U.S. population.
And the visitors here may not be able to see it, but to the trained eye, the roads are a serious concern.
You can see that the pavement is under stress here by looking at what we would call alligator cracking. You know, these are signs that show extreme deferred maintenance.
America's most visited national park, winding through Tennessee and North Carolina, depends on its roads to provide access.
We have almost $190 million of deferred maintenance just on our roadways alone. That accounts for about 80% of our total.
The wear and tear, combined with lack of funding, means Great Smoky can't keep up with the patching and repaving needed to protect the roads.
So our region is actually a temperate rainforest.
That can impact businesses like this tour operators.
The Smokies are a billion-dollar industry, and we would not be here. Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge certainly wouldn't exist if there was not this national park. And so if you're not taking care of this, you're basically, choking out all of these gateway communities.
Congress is considering bipartisan legislation to fix our parks and provide $6.5 billion over 5 years to get more repairs underway. But as summer gets into full swing and visitation soars, rangers wait to see whether Congress will provide what's needed to protect the parks and the local economies that depend on them. From This American Land, Gary Strieker for NBC News.